Hello everyone, welcome to Slay the World Bombas and Manjan. Now we at Grand Olympic Hotel, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia for the and Fabulous, the audition, Mrs. of Malaysia 2026 edition. Beside of me, we have who come for the audition and congratulations once again, you be the finalist of Mrs. of Malaysia 2026 edition. Okay, so maybe we can start from you. Maybe you can introduce a bit about yourself.
Okay. Thank you. Hi, I'm Dr. Wanda Lila binti Wan Hazmi. I am 37 years old. I'm from Ampang. I'm the founders of Darla Club Ampang KL.
Hi, I am Yanti Ahmad, or you can call me Yan. I am a trainer and as well as a makeup artist and also a color analysis consultant. So, for the time being, just because of this platform, I wanted to share whatever knowledge which is I have to all the ladies out there. That's the main reason I joined the Mrs. of Malaysia.
All right. Okay. Next question. Maybe you can share with us why you choose Mrs. of Malaysia as your platform to highlight yourself. Maybe you can start from you.
As I said before, okay, I wanted to share whatever knowledge that I have to all the ladies out there because for the ladies, which is to empower all the ladies regards of image, confidence, and uh, leadership.
The reason why I joined the Mrs. of Malaysia is for all the women, especially for those already married, for you to feel uplift, not just to become beautifully outside, but to bring your inner self from inside, that you can feel yourself like how you want to feel, who you are, your ground, and then you can spread the love, and eventually everything that you want will come true to others. So therefore, thank you.
Thank you so much for wonderful why you choose Mrs. of Malaysia as your platform to highlight yourself. Okay, so best of luck to you in the Mrs. of Malaysia 2036 journey. So again, and bye bye.